Hi guys, welcome to tonight's vlog. So we are having a tasting, but we must taste it this poisonous thing. It's serious. I don't know if I'm gonna die or what. Well, we're tasting something else, and I'm gonna go get it. Look, I have Oreos, and I have something that comes from my country. So each one's gonna make a video, and then they're gonna tell me in my comments that I made a video. I'm gonna go in your channel and see the video, and it needs to be the first video, and then you have to show something that comes from your country, a food, a dessert. Oh. Okay, I'm gonna go get it. Here's it. It is long chips, mashed potatoes, snack, salt and vinegar. So let's taste it. Everything just started from the power chefing. I started doing the power chefing by myself. So back in the day, and it's halal. Whoever is Muslim, they can come to my country and come eat this. It says halal. Yeah. Oh my gosh. Let me just open this. So I got one out. Some musician, I cook for a lot of celebrities. I stayed with him for 3 days. Jason Derulo, that's my brother. Jason Derulo? Yeah, Jason Derulo. I cook for. He seems like he's a cool guy though, Jason Derulo. I love him. Yeah, I love him. I love him. He's a good guy. He's a nice guy. He made me to be like this, humble. They would make you like, people are doing drugs, they make you like, why do you need to be arrogant with the little you have? So when I'm cooking for him, like in the morning, you have to pray, you have to thank God. Let's sit here. Okay, bye guys.